What's happening, YouTubers? So it is AC season. I'm sure everyone's trying to get the best performance out of their vehicle. So let me give you a little tip. If you know that your AC system is charged, your cabin air filter charged to spec, your cabin air filter is good. It's getting plenty of airflow against the evaporator core in the dash. And you want to try and see if you can make it any cooler or colder in your vehicle. In front of your vehicle is the condensing unit. Okay, AC condensing unit. Some have an auxiliary fan to help cool down this condenser. So this AC system takes liquid to gas, in constant rotation. If this fan's not coming on, guess what? It's reducing the performance of your AC system. So you can see this has a lot of things blocking the airflow in front of it. So it's very important that this condensing unit stays clean, so it gets dust and dirt and leaves and all that stuff. So you want to inspect your condensing unit in the front of your vehicle. Most of them you can see. What you want to do is take a hose and rinse it down really good. You could use soapy water too. Rinse it down. If you see any leaves or paper bags or dead birds and animals, remove them all, okay? And see if that increases the performance. Even though it doesn't look like there's anything on it, trust me, there's dust and dirt and debris that you can't see. You may not even be able to see what's between the radiator and the condensing unit. That would require a lot more work, but this is a simple thing you can do. Open your hood, look around, identify the condensing units in the front of the car, in front of the radiator. Make sure if it has an auxiliary fan that it's working. There's no bags or trash, things of that nature. Or fancy grills and custom accessories that are diverting the air around the condensing unit when it should be going through it. Thanks for watching.